Hi guys, it's Nuke and Turret.
Yep.
How y'all doing?
Today
Hope
we're
y'all
gonna.
are doing good. We're going to advertise Big Scary today. Stealing your thunder, Turret.
Yeah, so we'll be playing Big Scary. Okay, let's start.
Okay, first let's start with the easiest to get free hat. Got it. Okay, it's a bit of a tight squeeze down here.
Wait, there's collision on our bodies. I forgot about that. Oh wait, that's actually cool. I've literally never. Boom, first hat unlocked.
Okay, let's check out the back rooms first.
This is the second secret, I guess. It's not much of a secret. I kind of just blind.
This isn't really a secret. It's just
I'm blind.
back rooms.
Oh wow.
Henry, no!
Oh crap.
No, Henry, no!
Henry. That's creepy. Hold on, I gotta check the vent.
I think only moderators can go in there.
This took long because
it's James the Pig!
Oh wow.
Okay, there's a monster in this level, but I don't know where it is.
Okay.
Hopefully we don't find out.
I'm probably gonna yell though, cause I don't do well in horror games. Wait for me, wait for me.
Come on. Roll Tide, brother. Roll Tide.
Yeah. The monster is this way, I think.
He's running away. Come here, boy.
Oh, shoot. Turn around. Gosh dang it. I got jump scared. Oh my gosh. Press the 4 buttons. Oh, I hate this one so much.
Bro, we're not beating the level. I don't have that kind of time. Okay, I'm a very busy guy. Come on, run.
Well, that's...
Rat
We
man.
should probably explain how to beat the levels, too.
No. Not this video.
Yeah, next video, if there is.
Rat trick! Rat trick! Rat trick!
That one's a big rat.
Yay! Rat trick! Rat trick! Yay!
Wait, we should show them all of the doors. Which one actually works?
Yellow is the good slide.
Okay, let's go down
green
the other
is...
ones first.
Okay, you go down blue.
3, 2, 1, go.
I actually started. I thought you started without me. Ah!
Am I gonna get jump scared?
Ankles. No, I think he's stuck.
Oh, I'm gonna run into him.
Someone else's videos.
Level 5. Yeah, they can watch someone else's videos.
I hate this. I hate this. I hate this level.
Yeah.
I have
too small of
claustrophobia.
space. That's the next one.
I hate it.
Yeah, it's
I hate this level.
Because you can't see anything.
Okay, I kind of did think about making...
Oh wait, wrong one. We're on 6. One of the monsters, or is that...
Bro, it's a monster. Come here.
Oh, I thought the monster was like a big, tall guy.
Now you just gotta get close to him first.
Oh, yeah. We should still show level 7, though. Oh, this one is annoying. I couldn't pass this one. It's pretty easy, though, because you can just jump off the side and avoid them. Why are they running?
Chase.
Get back here. Jump across the power plants. Get over here, boy.
I actually didn't think of that.
He disappeared.
No, he fell.
This is what the jump scares are like. What you wanna do?
Stupid.
Beat it.
Bro, I juked the monster so good.
I seen that.
I did like.
Okay,
Bro, I did
8,
like.
right?
Yep. 8
I
is
haven't
just a
been to
big
8.
spider.
It's a spider?
Just a big spider.
Ooh, wait. So you wouldn't want to play this
Care-
if you have arachnophobia, right? That's what it's called?
No. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
His ankles
like a
got
spider
yeeted
bat.
out of his body, bro.
It's like a bat if it didn't have wings. Okay, level 9.
It's me, Pumpkin the pumpkin.
What the heck?
I
Pumpkin.
want
What?
some candy to eat.
Booty
and I
hole
will open
tickler.
the door for you.
Oh, okay. Why do I have
Booty
a pumpkin?
tickler.
Candy
Ticklers.
for me.
He broke through the wall.
It's me, Pumpkin the pumpkin.
I.
I want.
They're gone.
It's me, Pumpkin
Oh,
the
yeah.
pumpkin.
Okay, level 10.
No. No, I didn't
It's
check
me,
out the skelly
Pumpkin
jump
the
scare.
pumpkin.
Wait, where's
I
that?
want.
Ooh, there's a skeleton over there.
Go
Come
quick.
here, skeleton.
Oh, wow, these
The
levels are huge.
skeleton.
Don't jump scare us. We're trying to get jump scared by skeleton. Get. It's not what a gorilla
Bro,
skeleton.
just the FNAF 4 jump scare.
Yeah.
Just Nightmares jump scare.
Okay.
10.
10.
Grandma! Okay, just a loud version of Nightmares jump scare from
Wait,
FNAF
what's
4.
this? Oh, a colt. When we play.
Yes, we can play music. Level 11. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop a Gangnam style. Whoop.
Wait for me.
Ooh! Grandma! Okay, other grandma's here.
Where?
We have 2 grandmas. Oh, she ran away. Other grandma. Okay, also
Oh,
known
there's-
as Mama. Come on,
Go
get in
quick.
the vents. Sussy and
Where'd you
Pasta.
Oh, oh. I was so
Here.
confused.
Where's Sussy Imposters?
Wait, is there
When the
is
imposter.
there one up here? Because if there is, I'm gonna be terrified.
Yeah,
There's one up
Yeah,
here.
there is, baby.
Oh, crap.
Hezbollah! It's Hezbollah! Come here! It's Hezbollah! Yeah, level 12. This is Uncle Jerry.
Oh, wow.
Very mean. Hey, don't eat my friends. Stop eating my friends.
Wait, is that the
Stop eating my
is
friends,
there
Uncle
more?
Jerry. No,
Oh, okay.
he sucks.
13. Last level.
And newest.
Oh,
High
no.
five.
Okay.
High five. I high fived him.
High
Give him a
five.
high five.
Five. Uncle Fred?
Bye. Yeah, Uncle
Oh,
Fred.
yeah, high five. I cannot speak.
Wait, no, that's Aunt Jenny.
And... Okay. Get over here. I'm gonna jump scare.
Get killed.
I'm gonna jump scare the eyeball.
We're going to jump. Bro, I gave it the I gave it the Phantom Foxy jump scare.
Same.
Yo, let's show them all the secret hats. Come here. Okay, there's a secret item over here.
Oh? Show me quick.
Go, go, go. The eyeball is coming.
Oh, there's a secret hat in 9. Whichever one I was stuck on, there's a secret hat in there.
Right? Okay, level 12, there's a secret hat in 12 too.
Okay.
Come here. Okay, we're getting all the free unlockable items. Okay, Uncle Jerry can still get you on the rock.
Okay. Level 11.
And level 7.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a secret one in this one.
Okay, there's actually 2 of them.
Oh yeah, in that concrete building. Or whatever you call this. A block. And
Ah,
no,
stupid.
don't fall. Hold on, I'm a little trapped. Wait, where's the second secret one? It's on the roof, right?
Yeah, up on the roof.
Wait, isn't there
Ooh,
one
some
in
money.
those nuclear things as well?
Nope, just a happy ghost. Just a happy ghost, that's all. Bro, where
Took
are
me a
you?
while to press this one. Okay, let's go. We gotta hurry this up.
Jimmy and Jeffy.
That's their names?
Here are their names. Yes, Jimmy and Jeffy.
I'll be back, Jimmy and Jeffy. We should try completing the game without dying once. Video. We're gonna try to get as far as we can without dying.
Yeah.
That's
Bro,
great words by a great man. Let's go. Albert Einstein once said that. We didn't even pass the first level. Bro.
Subscribe or else I'm breaking his ankles.
Please subscribe so I'm not in danger. Bye.